you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dee. I make military, lifestyle, and beauty related content, and I would love it if you subscribed. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing an updated how I slick my hair back. I did one of these like 2 years ago, I think. Yeah, it had to have been 2 years ago. 2 years ago, my hair was a brown honey blonde. I don't even know what color that was. Girl, I don't even know. My hair is obviously a lot longer than it was then, and it's a different color. You guys probably can't see the color right now because it's still wet, but my hair is like a red. That is what my hair color looks like. I do use a lot of Aussie products. This video is not sponsored. I get them from Walmart like everybody else. But anyways, this video is for you guys, but it's also low-key for my dad because he always wonders how I get my hair slicked down. And even it's not even this slick as it could be, but this gets me through the day, keeps me in reg, so I'm good to go. Everything will be linked down below. Let's just get right on into the video. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. You could use your hair, I guess, dry if you want to. I don't know, do it on dry hair. And then I change my part up each week so I don't go bald. So yeah, so I'm doing the other side because last week I think I did the right side, so I'm doing the left side. So first I just part off the section that I basically want my bang to be, and then these are what I use to shampoo and conditioner, the Aussie Moist line, and then this is their detangler that I'm going to use as like my leave-in. Then I apply some castor oil to my ends so that they can seal in the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm using another leave-in conditioner which is anti-shedding by Mielle. This one I kind of just like because it smells good. I don't really think it does much for my hair. But after that I use the Miche Set curl mousse, and I put that down because it helps hold my hair up under the gel, if that makes sense. So then I detangle it a little bit with this awesome brush. I'm going to link it down below. You guys should get it. My girls with the curls. Then I slick my hair down with the Gorilla Snot gel. I have two brushes that I use. They're both hard, but one's harder than the other. This one is the softer one. And then after I use this one, I go in with the harder one. You guys will see it's kind of small. But I then pull my hair back so that I can actually tighten the hair tie, and that's what's gonna basically create my bun and then my anchor for my bang. So that's what it looks like now. Then I do my bang. I apply the same products, the spray for the leave-in, detangler, and then I brush my hair out, use the other Mielle leave-in, and then the castor oil. It's not in the same order, but I just do it. So then after that is when I apply the gel everywhere to flatten that out. Then I use the same softer brush first, and then I use the harder brush, and I mold it down to make my little swoop bang thing, although it doesn't really end up really being a swoop because it doesn't come down far enough. But this is the smaller brush and this one's harder, and that one gets it more slick. And then I just tie another hair tie with my loose hair in the back, my ponytail part. After that, I use a little bit more Gorilla Snot to slick down the pieces that kind of just came out with the smaller brush, the harder one. And I use these clips. I don't know what it's called, but I use that to clip it down. If that much. Then I use Edge Booster for my edges. I'm not good at my edges, y'all. I'll be trying. I'm just a swoop and go girl, but sometimes they don't be looking too good at all. But I like the Edge Booster. You have to get the one that's like water based. I think that's the good one. One of those, but I know this one is water based. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Then I just put some bobby pins in, and then we style the ponytail. I'm gonna be doing a bun today, so I use the same detangler, and then I use the curl pudding that's by Aussie as well, and then I just apply that to my ponytail just so my ponytail is, or bun is, moisturized. And then for some decoration, some cuteness, I just use a satin scrunchie that I got from Fred Meyer's in a pack. And then to add some shine, I like to use the Motions Oil Sheen, and I spray it on my hand, and then I rub it in and put it on my hair. And then I tie my hair up with a do-rag. After about 15 minutes of the rest of my routine, I take the do-rag off and I just peel it back. And then I have my slick hairstyle for about 2 days to a week. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you, bye.
Your time,
She like them boy with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old range.